Hello everyone, welcome to MSFT Webcast. In this video, we're going to see the steps on how to configure accepted domains in Exchange 2019. Accepted domains are the SMTP namespaces that we configure in an Exchange organization to receive email messages. By default, fully qualified domain name of the forest root domain is configured as an authoritative accepted SMTP domain. If you have .local internet domain name and want .com or other domain name, then this is where you need to configure accepted domain. In our example, a registered domain name on internet is msftwebcast.com, and also we have configured a MX record in public DNS for msftwebcast.com. But a forest root domain name is mylab.local, so we need to configure msftwebcast.com as an accepted domain in the Exchange organization. In this guide, we will use Exchange Admin Center or web interface to configure accepted domain. To do so, on Exchange 2019 mailbox server, we need to open Internet Explorer. Type https://localhost/ECP to access Exchange Admin Center. Remember, this is a test lab created in VirtualBox with the single Active Directory domain in our Active Directory forest name mylab.local. Let's click on More Information and click on Go on to the web page. Let's sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center web interface, we need to click on Mailflow. And then we need to click on Accepted Domains tab. We can see there is a mylab.local is added by default and the domain type is authoritative. As by default, Active Directory forest root domain will be added as an accepted domain. One more thing is that domain is our default accepted domain. To add a new accepted domain name, we need to click on plus sign. Here we need to type a name to identify our accepted domain. And then after, we need to type accepted domain name, which is msftwebcast.com in my case. Perfect. Now here we have three options to choose accepted domain type: authoritative, internal relay, and external relay. You can configure an accepted domain as an authoritative domain when all recipients in that domain exist in your Exchange organization. And you can configure an accepted domain as a relay domain when some or none of the recipient in that domain exist in your Exchange organization. For example, partners or subsidiaries. In our case, we will go with authoritative. Let's click on Save. And perfect. As we can see, accepted domain has been successfully added in our Exchange organization. Now I'm going to edit our accepted domain name. So let's select MSFT Webcast and click on Edit icon, as we want to make this domain as a default domain name. And for that, we need to select this checkbox. Make this the default domain. Let's click on Save button to save the changes. Perfect. Now, as we can see, MSFT Webcast is listed as a default domain. We can now create email address policy to assign email address consisting of our new msftwebcast.com SMTP domain to mailboxes. Let me show you the recipients. So this is a fresh installation of Exchange, and that's why we have only one recipient, and that is our administrator. You can verify administrator's email address, which is administrator@mylab.local. The reason is pretty simple one, because when Exchange created mailbox of administrator, that time we had only accepted domain, which is mylab.local. And here we have a email address policy. This is our default email address policy. Let me click on Edit icon. Let me click on email address format, And here, if you want to modify default email address policy, you can do it from here, or you can create a new email address policy with new email address format. Let me select SMTP email address format, which is at mail.local. Let's click on edit icon. And here we have other options. Fine. Click cancel and click on cancel. Let me show you how you can create email address policy as well. So I'll create one separate video on how to create email address policies and how we can apply it. But let me show you basic steps. For that, we need to click on this plus icon. And here we need to specify policy name. Okay, let's define email address format. Here we need to select our accepted domain, which is msfdwebcast.com is selected. The reason is pretty simple one, because we have made that domain as a default domain name. You can also choose your other accepted domain from this drop-down menu. Fine. Let's click on save. Priority will be 1 because we want to apply this email address policy with highest priority. Let's click on save. Click on OK. Because this policy is currently not active, so we need to apply this policy, and for that we need to click on this apply button. Click on yes and click on close. Perfect. Let's click on recipients and click on refresh icon. And now here we can see that email address of our user administrator is changed to administrator@msfdwebcast.com. And suppose if you now create a new user mailbox, that user's email address will be user_alias_name@msfdwebcast.com. So in this way, we can configure accepted domain using Exchange Admin Center in Exchange 2019. That's all for this video on how to configure accepted domain in Exchange Server 2019. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.